What's up? What's up? What's up? And my Martin shit. It's me, Workout Series 27. And this week we're gonna have a cable chest fly, a machine good morning, and a machine reverse fly. Hope you guys enjoy it.
All right, to start off, we have a cable chest fly. We're going to chest in the front delt, and then we're just going to be standing. We're going to start off standing upright. You can do your legs together, or you can have them split apart, which you'll see with the other angle. But the main thing is you're going to keep that chest upright, back flat. You can keep your core tight. Take your arms from being apart to together. Don't think about trying to control your arms, okay? Relax your arms. Just make sure they're stiff, but still relax them. You'll have a little slight relaxed bend in your elbow. You're gonna take those arms. You're gonna go as far as you can away from each other, really stretching the chest, and that's how you're gonna bring those arms together, make those hands touch, and really squeeze the chest. Now, for a lying hamstring curl, working the hamstrings. In this machine, you're just gonna set up and lying on it, and after that, you'll see on the other view. You can put the pad where you want it. I prefer to put the pad on my ankle because of where it is in comparison to where my hips are. I feel like I get a better workout because of that, angles and shit. But anyway, so you're going to take the bar pad and take your leg from going straight, be better than me, go completely straight with your legs, and after that, bring that bar pad to your butt. That's a good indicator that you flexed your knee as much as you possibly can or worked your hamstring as much as you possibly can. And that's full range of motion if you go from straight-legged to bend as far as you can with it touching your butt. So now with the machine reverse fly, kind of like the chest fly, but we're just going backwards now. Keeping that chest upright, keeping that back flat. You can keep your core tight if you really want to. I think it's always good to have good posture, but you're gonna keep those arms straight, but same thing, relaxed and slightly bent. You're gonna take your hands or your arms from being close together to far apart from each other. You're just gonna pull them as far as you can back or as far as you can away from each other. As corny as it sounds, like I say, think about being a butterfly. Now you're just being a butterfly, but you're flying backwards, as dumb as that sounds. But as you pull that weight back, right, focus on squeezing your traps and using your posterior delt, your upper back muscles.
Thank you guys for watching Mini Workout Series 27. I appreciate y'all for the support and the love and for giving me some attention and trying to help yourself at that, trying to better yourself and to learn more about working out, to learn more exercises, and to, of course, live longer so you can enjoy your life to the maximum ability. You know what I'm saying? Like, Super Saiyan your life, baby. You try to do it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy it. And as always, follow my social media pages, whatever side it's on. And have a great weekend, man. Love you guys. Stay safe out here as always. Love you good. Do your workouts. Don't be a bum. It's not good to be a bum. You know what I'm saying? Don't be a bum. You want to be a bum. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm done. Bye.